Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, as you can see, Veikk A50, and now I'm gonna show you how to change this pen buttons function on this device. So basically it's very easy to do. First you need to open the start and find here Veikk tablet application. If you don't have it, you need to install the Veikk drivers. If you don't know how to do it, you need to watch our video about it. So open it, find here your A50, here click pen, and here you will see the buttons features. And here, for example, we can change it to either click, to the keyboard. We can set it up to have the shortcut, for example, Ctrl+C or Ctrl+Z, for example. Navigate, back, forward, zoom in, zoom out, application open, run, for example, I don't know, calculator. I don't know why you need to change it, because erase and right click, it's the standard for any pen tablet, but if you want you can change it, and in the other button too. And of course then you can restore defaults if you need. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.